Thousands of people have attended the climax of Busoga Prayer Week that brought together all religious denominations in the Busoga region under the theme Together for the Common Good, function held in Luka district. The main celebrant was the Bishop of Diocese of East Busoga, Right Reverend Paul Hannington Subi. In his sermon, Bishop of Diocese of East Busoga Right Reverend Subi urged leaders in Busoga region to combine efforts in addressing common challenges in the region such as unemployment, inadequate health facilities, education challenges and high levels of poverty.
It involves working together to identify common challenges. And in our case, unemployment, poor land management and farming practices, lack of markets, low prices for the produce, inadequate health facilities,
He asserts that leaders ought to galvanize communities by transforming their mindset. Bishop Subi emphasizes that such challenges can be achieved when the people of Busoga Kingdom stand united.
This means that our leaders and all of us should work together to identify these common challenges that affect us.
Represented by the Prime Minister of Uganda, Right Honorable Robin Anabanja, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President praised the people of Busoga for their initiative in organizing the prayer week, recognizing it as a symbol of unity.
Prayer is a powerful tool. It does not only strengthen us spiritually, but also shapes the moral fabric of our society. As leaders, both in the government and in the church, we carry the responsibility to set a positive example for the people we serve.
He urges the churches to participate in social, economic transformation of the country.
As we come together in prayer, let us come together in action to fight all vices in our country. This is a gesture of unity that the holy books encourage us to have, and a portrayal of true virtue of spirituality. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad this nation is blessed with God-fearing people.
Busoga Kingdom Premier Wechitiibwa Joseph Muvawala emphasized on the issue of prioritizing the Busoga language.
Ngabita mu kanisa, ngabita mu misigiti, ngabita mu bika, tuongere okutereza olimi olusoga. Aye nga tuli wano wale onenda tuidukire abawumula abatuwandikira Bible y'olusoga.
Third Deputy Prime Minister Honorable Kia Nakadama Isanga and Minister for Presidency Honorable Mile Babalanda urged the people in Busoga to embrace teamwork for development in the region.
Akawane Uganda kubanga tuli kusuubira ekyo nekidi okusobola okutuzitula tuve mu bwavu singa tuba tuyidumbiire enkolagana eyo eya Uganda ne China.
Nenda okweta Busoga yona n'abasoga okutwaliza awalala okwongera okunyweza ekintu kye tuli kweta teamwork okolera awalala ate twena tuwe bakozi adwa tukole emirimu ate nga tukolera omu kyona kikulino.
Chairman Busoga Prayer Week Organizing Committee, Stephen Kisaba Kubalwayo, highlighted about the motive of Busoga Prayer Week, especially in the implementation of Busoga 10 years agenda.
National level. This is the national prayers, even when it is staged in Busoga. Ndisaba government ensonga eno egiteemu amaani kuba abakulembeze baifwe bona mu nzikiriza ed'endawulo bali walala tusobole okusabira Busoga eno ate amafuta ag'obusoga waatandikira enkulaakulana okujja mu bitundu ebindi gagemagane n'ebitundu ebindi tusobole otwala Uganda ey'awalala.
The function was also attended by members of parliament from Busoga region and many other government officials. Compiled by Julius Muhumuza for Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.